This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Use 3 north blocks to get the harvester to the corn. Don't forget to pick the corn at the end. Alright, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to drag out this block. Let's double check their math. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use step because we can slowly watch us walk through once, twice, see, and 3 times. Okay, their math is good. And then what was it? Oh yeah, it's a piece of corn. So I guess we want to put this here. And remember, code always runs in order. So when I click run, it will go north once, twice, 3 times, and we'll pick the corn. Now there's actually an easier way to do this, and let me show you that way. So notice right now we have 5 blocks in use. Well, 1 north, 2 north, 3 north blocks in a row. There's an easier way to write that out. If we use this block, it's called a repeat block. I'm going to get rid of 2 of my norths and just put north in here. And now, since this is a 3, and it could be a different number, the computer will go 3 times north, zoop, and it says, okay, again, north, and then, oh, okay, again, north, and now that would be 3 times. If there was code beneath it, it would run that. So this repeats any code inside, and then, when it's done repeating, it just runs code under it, the code under it. Let's check it out. Ba-da! Cool. And that time, we did it with less blocks. Let's keep going.